The flange disc works with the nut to secure the grinding disc to your grinder. It has a 5/8 inch non-threaded hole, a recess milled in it that engages with the spindle, and a 7/8 inch hub to accept standard grinding wheels. Over time, the hub can wear, causing the grinding wheel to wobble. Replacing the flange disc is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the nut with the spanner wrench. I'll lock the grinder's spindle with the lockout button. I'll spin the grinding wheel by hand until the lockout button engages. I'll use the spanner wrench to remove the nut. Beneath the grinding wheel, I can go ahead and remove the flange. Now I can install the new disc flange. On the back side, it's slotted to engage against the spindle. I'll place it on the spindle and rotate it until it engages. Now I can reinstall the grinding wheel. Now I can reinstall the flange nut. If I'm using a full-size grinding wheel like this, I'll install the nut so the hub is down. If I want to install a thin wheel, like this diamond wheel or maybe a thin cutoff disc, I'll install the nut so that the flat portion is against the wheel. If I put the hub side down, it'll never tighten against the wheel, it'll just rotate freely. The flat side will clamp it securely. And that's all it takes to install a new flange disc on your grinder.